Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pelemon, and today we'll be looking at how to get high quality backlinks the right way. Not all backlinks are equal. Some improve rankings, others do nothing. Some actually make your rankings worse. The goal is not more backlinks, it's better backlinks from real sources that Google trusts. High quality backlinks don't come from random outreach alone. They come from valuable content, real relationships, and useful assets people actually want to reference. If nobody wants to link, you'll always struggle. Now, the first thing you want to do is create link worthy assets. The easiest way to earn backlinks is to create something worth citing. For example, original research, industry statistics, free tools, detailed guides, and case studies. People who link to sources that make them look People link to sources that make them look informed. The next thing you want to do is to target resource pages. Many websites like have many many websites have pages like useful resources, recommended tools, industry links. These are perfect backlink opportunities because the page is literally designed to link out. The next thing you want to do is to steal what already works. If a competitor is ranking well, check who links to them, why they are linked, and what type of content earned it. Then create something better and pitch to those same sites. Now, the next thing you want to do is guest posting done properly, not spam or strategic placement. Guest posting still works when done correctly. You need to focus on real blogs with traffic, relevant industries, and editorial quality content. You need to avoid link farms disguised as blogs. The next thing you want to look into is digital PR. You need to get links from news and authority sites. Digital PR improves data stories, expert commentary, and newsworthy insights. Journalists and publishers link when your content supports a story they've already been writing about. Another method that works is broken link building. This works by finding broken links on relevant sites and creating better content, suggesting your link as a replacement. If you help them fix a problem, you simply earn a backlink. Then, another thing that you need to try is unlinked brand mentions. You turn mentions into links. Sometimes websites mention your brand product or content but don't link it. You simply reach out and say, hey, can you turn this mention to a link? Easy win. The final rule is authority plus relevance plus intent equals to high quality backlinks. The best backlinks are from sites that are relevant to your niche, have real authority, and link to you for a genuine reason. If you focus on value first, links become a byproduct, not the goal. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.